How to share your reels to your Pinterest. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share your reels to your Pinterest. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram, go to your profile and go to your reel. Click on it and click on those 3 points. Now click on share to and click on save in Pinterest. Wait a second. And now all you need to do is pick an image for your pin. Click and just this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.